Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick look at something that I've seen a lot of people talking about, but that don't really talk about it in the correct way. So a few posts, some of you might have seen that, a few posts have actually shown up this week with a title that says, "Oh, Google Chrome browser scans your files without your knowledge, without you knowing about it. I shouldn't do so." And I want just to put things straight about Google Chrome. Yes, it has the ability to scan folders and files on your PC. That's the first thing you got to know. Yes, it does. But it does not do a system-wide scan, and actually Google's chief security engineer wanted to put things straight. Google Chrome does not scan your system, your full system, like a antivirus. But what it will do is actually spot check some of the most common places where malware, ransomware, and cryptocurrency mining of any kind can actually show up, to make sure that nothing's there and nothing suspicious is on your PC while you're using Google Chrome. So it's in effect a security feature of the Google Chrome browser. Now, it does not scan, for example, my documents, pictures, and so on, unless it needs to do so. And how does it know that? When it looks at a folder and it does see malware, it will analyze that and start checking out the different places where that malware can maybe do things. So in some instances, they do say, yeah, maybe we'll go into your documents folder, because something in your computer is kind of telling us, well, maybe we need to take a look there to make sure that nothing bad's going on. But in general, it's not scanning your files and your folders. It's just checking and spot checking for security reasons, different areas. So make sure that you understand that, because Google Chrome is not spying on you in this way. It's not trying to view what files you have and things like that. It's really, really dependent on simply looking at what is what could be basically checking out as being a security problem on your PC. So that's, I think, something that we need to know, because many of the articles I've seen have actually erroneously reported that, oh, well, it's scanning your files. Well, it's kind of spot checking for malware, and if you do get in contact with malware, then we'll of course look at other places on the PC to make sure that you stay safe. It's really a protection that Google Chrome has within its web browser. It's not an antivirus per se, but it is there to try to keep you secure simply by going on the web. So it's a good thing, but unfortunately sometimes people report it in the wrong way. So it looks like, oh, well, okay, Google Chrome's snooping on me. No, it's not. It's really a different way, a different way of doing things and making sure that you are safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.